Do you wonder how to make money on Instagram? Well, I'm going to show you how to make money on Instagram. I'm going to show you a step-by-step system for building a profitable Instagram following from scratch. These are amazing tactics to grow a sustainable online business and make over $10,000 in less than 12 months. I'll share some useful tips that will help you grow your Instagram account and make money. All you need is a phone, an idea, and a plan. So, keep watching till the end. But before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below to make big money instantly, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Do you not believe it's time to get money if you spend a significant portion of your day on Instagram? As reported by CNBC, with 5,000 Instagram followers and 308 sponsored posts every year, one may earn $100,000 per year. Making money will rely on a variety of other variables, of course. But, still, Instagram may be a lucrative business platform. The best part is that anybody can start an Instagram account and eventually turn it into a profitable business. You merely need to know the quickest route. Even without thousands of followers, you can make money. Active Instagram users in the same niche are more desirable to advertising. A small Instagram account may generate money if its followers are interested in beauty, fashion, cuisine, vehicles, or gardening. Having thousands of followers helps, however, it is not the only measure to consider. Let's talk about ways to monetize your Instagram account so you can make use of its potential. First, most need an Instagram business account. 1. Sponsored post. Sponsored posts are the clearest way to make money on Instagram. This has a lot to do with how good you are as an influencer. To get sponsored, you'll need to engage your fans. Both you and your followers need to be active. Ideally, you'd promote a product you use in real life. When you locate a respectable brand, you may build that connection so you are sponsored more often. It's a win-win for both sides. If you have enough followers, sponsors will discover you. But it doesn't mean you have to wait. You may seek companies you believe might benefit from cooperating with you. It doesn't have to be large brands. Smaller companies are also trying to fund Instagram influencers. If you're having trouble getting sponsors, you may join an influencer marketing network. These firms already collaborate with brands on sponsorships. 2. Affiliate marketing. This is easier. Most affiliate programs don't need a large following. Affiliate marketing works on more than just Instagram. Affiliate marketers get commissions. To make it work, include your business partner's clickable link to your post or Instagram stories. When they click it, they'll be sent to an online shop or landing page. You gain an affiliate commission if a follower buys a product via your link. Big internet platforms may have affiliate programs, such as Airbnb, Amazon Associates, etc. 3. Launch an online store. You can make money by selling your own products. Other bonuses include having all sales and total marketing control. E-commerce shop setup is easier than ever. Some third-party tools and services may help you build a website without coding. You will find below the link for one of the best online store builders. Your product should be niche-focused. If you share beauty and wellness Instagram stories, you should offer related items. Selling tangible things might be tough, thus some influencers prefer digital products. In your Instagram bio, put the link to your online shop and add relevant hashtags. 4. Sell photos. Whether it's stock photographs or artwork, most companies pay for Instagram content. Some are ready to license images to use on their own accounts. You may sell your prints to your followers. Offering several sizes offers fans additional alternatives. You may be creative with how you sell your photographs. You may print them on shirts, mouse pads, coasters, and similar goods. There are stock picture websites that let individuals sell their Instagram photographs. The Ingram Group and 2020 are two platforms that enable you to achieve that. 5. Instagram badges. Instagram badges let your followers support you when you go live. Engaged followers will buy badges. Heart symbols will show next to buyers' names. Influencers get money for badges. Live streamers may see how much they've made. After it concludes, check badge settings for your final earnings. Your video viewers may purchase several badges. Profits are tremendous. Just engage naturally with your audience. Solicit badges. You must be 18 or older, have a creator or company account, and follow partner monetization policies and community guidelines. Now, make sure to check the links in the description if you like to make money instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.